it's Courtney Brickner, the CB behind the Crafty Brick. Welcome to my YouTube channel and to day 2 of our series, our 24-day Advent art calendar from Arteza with the, what are we doing? The Tiffany Anna collection. So we're doing a day at a time of this amazing Advent calendar. So yesterday we did day 1 and now we're on to day 2. So let's see where day 2 is right here. And let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm excited. So far with our first project, I've got this kind of the first beginning of our bees. So I'm hoping that it's going to start looking better. Let's see what's in today's package. Okay, day 2. Let's open it up. Oh, we got a paint tray. We've got some, what color is this? First Frost white paint. Okay, so we are adding some white to our picture today. I don't even know where the white goes, but let's add a little white. So we'll use this paint tray. All right, we'll put some paint on here. We already got a brush in day 1. So I think we'll start to add a little white to our bee here. Actually, I'm doing 3 bees, so let's add a little white. I don't know if we're going to get yellow to go in there. I would think we're going to get some yellow. So maybe we'll just add a little white along the edge of the black there, maybe. All right, so I'm going for the signature look of Tiffany Anna's bee collection. I don't know exactly how to get this, and I thought that there might be a little bit of instruction, like to show you how to recreate her paintings, but there isn't. So I looked up online kind of how she does it, just some of her Instagram videos. So I don't know that this looks exactly like hers does, but this is the Crafty Brick edition. So here we go. Okay, so here is the end of day 2. So now we've gotten 2 paint colors. I'm looking forward to some yellow because I feel like, it's better than it was yesterday, but I don't know, my bees, I think they're going to be better with some yellow. So we will see tomorrow on day 3 what the next thing is that we have received in our Advent calendar. I'm super excited to share all these 24 days with you guys. And don't forget, if you like this series, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification so that you get notified every time I post a new day in our Advent calendar. And I'm excited. I will be back tomorrow to share day 3 with you. And until then, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.